Today I am going to set up a pygame window. So to do that I am going to import pygame. You can even add a comma to import more so that you don't write import again and again. And then you will use this function always to set up the display. And then write full capital width and height. And then write the screen size in pixels. I am writing 600 by 600 for a square. You can also write 1980 by 1080 for full screen size. But not more than that, else it will get oversized. Next I will define a word to pygame that will set up the screen and write width and height in full capital. And remember to write them in capital, always, else it will not recognize it. And give error that it doesn't have any such word in its dictionary. And always use double brackets. Or just copy the name from up. Next I will use the clock function to set the refresh rate of the screen. It is used in games, and you can also use FPS to do the same. And remember to use capital C, and not small c. Next I will define running that it is true. And never use small t, and always use capital T. Dot for true. Next I will use a loop. For running that this why I have used running is equal to true, and always define the running with only one equal to, and not double equal to. And as you had defined clock, so I will use clock.tick and in bracket 60. Next, I will use for event in pygame to check that a user has clicked somewhere on the screen, and if so then where, and if he has clicked on the close button, so then it will close. So I will add it in a for loop and close it with a bracket. Next I will tell it that if the click is on the pygame's close button, then it will quit, and yes, use double equal to, and quit will be in all capital. Then close it with a semicolon, and end the running with running is equal to false. And small f will not work. Now I will add color to the display. It is in the terms of numbers and not letters. I will use screen.fill and tell the numbers the first is the concentration of red, second of green, and third of blue. The heighter the number, the lighter the color, like 255, 255, 255 is white, and 0, 0, 0 is black. I am making the color lighter. Oops. Now I am adding pygame.display.flip and close the brackets. And remember that it will always be inside the while loop. Or just remember that the tab space is matching with the if in exit of running or for event in pygame.get. And it should not be outside, else it will show error. You can use tab to add extra space. Next add pygame.quit, and close the bracket empty, to end the code. Let's run it, see that it works. See that it works. Now I will add a name to the display. So we will type window and equal to sign and write down pygame.display.set underscore caption and in brackets a upper comma, and then write down the name of the display. See it works. Subscribe for more videos and also mention one thing which did not work. See it printed it. You can even edit the names of anything, but they should be in their form like the ones which were in all caps. The shall be see it. I am shortening its form like from width to win and height to heg. And don't forget to replace those words. See it works. I can also do the same with only some words. Clock to clock. Now I am also adding one more key to escape the window. The same code will be used.
I am using escape key, and remember that escape will be fully capital.
See, I used this key that for now. Subscribe for more videos.